Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fermented vegetables. Fermentation is a wonderful way to preserve food and boost its nutritional value. It relies on beneficial bacteria to transform vegetables, creating delicious and healthy results. The key is to create an environment where these good bacteria thrive, primarily by using salt. This simple process allows you to enjoy your favorite vegetables in a whole new way. Gathering the right tools and ingredients is your first step. You'll need a clean glass jar or a ceramic crock, which provides the ideal environment. A fermentation weight is also essential to keep your vegetables fully submerged under the brine. For ingredients, choose fresh, crisp vegetables and a good quality non-iodized salt, like sea salt, to ensure successful fermentation. Let's walk through the process. First, wash and chop your chosen vegetables. Next, mix them thoroughly with salt, massaging them to help release their natural water. Then, pack the salted vegetables tightly into your clean jar, pressing down firmly to remove any air pockets. Finally, ensure all vegetables are completely submerged under the brine, using a weight if necessary. Once packed, let your vegetables ferment at room temperature, usually for 3 to 14 days. You'll notice small bubbles, a sign that the beneficial bacteria are actively working. Taste your ferment periodically to find your preferred level of sourness. Once it's just right, transfer your delicious fermented vegetables to the refrigerator, where they will keep for several weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.